Hello, welcome back in our new session of Production Management Planning and Control. In last session, we had discussed on the continuous manufacturing system. In that lecture, we had been discussed on the meaning of continuous manufacturing system, some characteristics of continuous manufacturing system, then advantages and disadvantages of continuous manufacturing system. So in previous lecture, we completed the introduction of continuous manufacturing system, and now we will discussing on the types of continuous manufacturing system. So as we discussed in last session, as I already told you that in the continuous manufacturing system, there are two types. The first one is mass production system and second type is the process production system. So I will discuss on one by one. The first one is mass manufacturing system. So the word mass itself, it suggests a multiple, or we can say large number. So mass means in a large number. So manufacturing system means, what is meant by mass manufacturing system? So we can say mass manufacturing system means producing a product in a large number, in a more quantity. So here this mass is means production of similar product, or we can say a single product in a mass quantity. So here the single or one type of product, or we can say identical products, are going to be manufactured in a large quantity. So this is a mass manufacturing system. In a mass manufacturing system, the same type of product is manufactured, and this manufacturing is done for meeting the continuous demand from the customers. So students, keep in mind that we already completed the intermittent manufacturing system. So mostly in that, the producer or manufacturer manufactured the product for order, means there they first receive the order from their customers, and according to specifications given by the customers, manufacturer manufacture their product. But here in mass manufacturing system, the productions are going to be done for meeting the customers continuous demand, means here the manufacturer will not receive the order, they only manufacture the product what will be going to sell in the market without taking the considerations of the demand, or without receiving the demand from the customers. So here manufacturer himself decide his specification, and according to that specification he manufacture the product. So that is a major difference. So in mass manufacturing system, market required the same kind of demand for sufficient long time. So if there is a demand for same or some product in the market, manufacturer continuously manufacture that product, or we can say in another word that the manufacturer manufacture the product which have a continuous demand in the market. Then in the mass manufacturing system, the products are manufactured under mass manufacturing system is at either a single operation or a series of operation on one machine. So products are manufactured in a mass manufacturing system. There are so many examples of mass manufacturing system. The examples such as hardwares, or we can say equipment of hardwares, then we can say plastic goods, or domestic appliances are the some examples of mass manufacturing systems. So I think it is clear that mass manufacturing system means the product which manufactured in a large number, in a large quantity in a mass manufacturing system to provide a continuous supply to the demand generated in the market. So this is a mass manufacturing system. So there are some characteristics of mass manufacturing system. The first one is flow of material is continuous. So as I told, the mass manufacturing system is a type of continuous manufacturing system. So here the products are going to manufactured which has a continuous demand in the market. So if demand is continuous in the market, manufacturer continuously manufacture the product and supply that products in the market. So there will be the fulfillment of the demand generated in the market. So for meeting a demand, there should be the continuous flow of manufacturer of the goods, and that will be the one characteristics of mass manufacturing system. Then automation is adopted. So in mass manufacturing system, mostly automation is preferred because producer has to provide a product which has a continuous demand in the market, and this large number of production is possible only when there is a automation in the industry. If there is a semi automation or manual processing, then it may not be possible to provide a large number of product which demanded by the industry. So for giving a timely supply, for giving a identical products, for giving a continuous flow of product, there should be the automation in industry. So keeping in mind this consideration, the manufacturer implement the automation, they adopt the automation in their organizations. Low skilled labor can be employed. So here the automation is preferred in the mass manufacturing system. So most of work is done by the machineries. So there is no specific order or changes in the product. So semi skilled labor can work if the product always the product is manufactured according to the demand of the customer. So there should be the skilled labor, but if the same type of product is demanded by the market and manufacturer producing the same type of product, so there is not need to employ high skill labor. So low skill labor can work in a mass manufacturing system. Then production cycle time is less, very obvious, because here the automation is implemented by the organizations and there is a high speed and efficiency is the market. That's why there is a shorter time required to complete a production cycle. Then product layout is adapted. So in a mass manufacturing system, which layout is adopted? So it is a product layout. So product layout is implemented in a mass manufacturing system. Then students, the next type of continuous manufacturing system is the process manufacturing system. The process manufacturing system is also known as flow manufacturing system. Flow, so process means it's a process manufacturing system, or in another word we can say it's a flow manufacturing system. So in a process manufacturing system or in a flow manufacturing system, the product is produced and stocked in the warehouses and waiting is carried out for sale. So in mass manufacturing, there is a continuous supply of material in the market, but in process manufacturing system, the products are manufactured, and after the manufacture, that stored in the market, that's stored in the warehouses, and when they receive the demand, that will be dispatched in the market, or that sale will be carried out in the market. The difference between mass and process manufacturing is the type of product and its relation to the plant. So the major difference between process and mass manufacturing system is products and its relation with the plant. So in mass manufacturing system, as we discussed, the products are identical or it produce in a large number. So in mass manufacturing, identical products produce in a large number. And if the demand falls, the machinery and equipments required a slightly modification for manufacturing the products for similar nature. So if there is a fall in demand, there is a decrease in demand, so they need to make changes in their machineries, and according to the requirement of market, they start the manufacture the product by making some changes in that product. But in process manufacturing system, the plant is designed for specific product, so there will not any changes will be done according to the demand of the markets. So if demand falls for particular product, there will be not any changes. The plant here in process manufacturing system, the plant cannot used for manufacturing the other type of products. So only single product for which you have developed your infrastructure, according to that there will be the manufacturing of a product. So there will not be slightly changes in the product and upgradation of your product according to new demand. So whatever structure you have developed your product, that structure, that product only preferred, and that product only manufacture in the process manufacturing system. So there are some characteristics of process manufacturing system. The first one is special purpose machines with inbuilt controls are used. So here in process manufacturing, the special purpose machineries are used because there is no any change in the product if demand falls or is demand increases. So there will be the special purpose machineries, and highly mechanized material handling system is used. So in the process manufacturing system, the mechanization is highly mechanized material handling system is implemented. So students, in today's session we had discussed on the continuous manufacturing system. Into that we discuss on the types of continuous manufacturing system, the mass manufacturing system and the process manufacturing system. So in next session we will discuss on flexible manufacturing system, which will be our last method of manufacturing system. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, any query, you can contact me on our group. Thank you.